In today's video, we are going to show you how to create your own collage using Pinterest, which is perfect for mood boards, vision boards, or creative inspiration. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. Click the plus button that says Create. And from here, scroll down until you find Collage, wherein you can mix and match ideas to build your vision and create something new. From here, you can select a background color of your choice. For example, we're going to be using blue for now, or maybe this one. And then you can search for ideas to collage. For example, let's say basketball, aesthetic. Let's say we have it here. I have like add cutout if you want, right here. I'm gonna drag it here. Select Michael Jordan. Select all. Maybe let's say a ring. Click on it. You can resize if you want. You have all the tools that you need. Now, once you are happy, you don't have to save it because it's automatically saved. There is a 3 dots icon on the top corner if you want to delete the draft or start a new collage. It's up to you. You can also add a text if you wanted. For example, let's say we have it here. You can also change the color if you want. And basically that's it for today's video on how to create your own collage with Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.